Hello, my name is Michael Barker with Camerat Labs in Huntersville, North Carolina. Today I'd like to demonstrate a couple ways of using analysis for PowerPoint. In our first method of demonstration here for analysis for PowerPoint, we're going to utilize analysis for Excel and work up a quick spreadsheet and then insert that into a PowerPoint. So we're going to go in and select our data source, and when prompted for our business objects credentials, we will enter those and click OK to proceed. And at that point we'll have the option of selecting our data. We'll make that selection and click OK. And in our case we will authenticate back to our BW environment and click OK to proceed. Now once we have our measures and dimensions in place, we will throw a few of those into the rows and columns. First we'll insert county name, state abbreviation, and metal into our rows. And next we'll insert calendar year as a background filter. Following this, we'll start doing a little bit of formatting of our crosstab by compacting our rows into our hierarchy. Next we'll insert a chart, and you'll notice again that we're going to start formatting that chart to just display a little bit easier onto what will be a PowerPoint slide. And now we will click Create Slide, which will open up analysis for PowerPoint. This will prompt us for our business objects credentials, for authentication, as well as our BW credentials in our case. Once those are entered, you'll notice the crosstab that was selected in the Excel document is now part of this slide. Now we'll add a title to this PowerPoint slide. We're going to call it Net Sales of Metal. And we're just going to do a little bit of formatting to this title to make it look better. Now I do want to point out that the hierarchies are indeed active on this slide, meaning that you could expand them, and I'm going to demonstrate that now by going to Analysis, Hierarchy, and Expand Dimensions. As you see, they do indeed expand and to the next level. We can then select that next level, in this case state abbreviation, and expand those down to the county name. And again, if you wanted to bring that all back up, you could collapse those over a couple clicks there, and you'll see you're left back with the original crosstab. Now we're going to jump back into our Excel document to the previously worked on chart. We're going to insert this into our PowerPoint deck, but before we do so, we're going to make some modifications to the data that's being displayed. Once we have those modifications in place, we're going to click on Analysis tab and Create Slide. As you'll see, being that the PowerPoint deck was already open and utilized, we did not have to re-authenticate. We'll now create a little title for this newly created slide. And this will complete our first method of utilizing analysis for Excel to insert objects into PowerPoint. So now we'd like to demonstrate the second method of utilizing analysis for PowerPoint. In order to do so, we will create a new slide. Then we will insert our data by going to Analysis and selecting our data source. We will utilize the same data as we had in our previous demonstration utilizing Excel. You'll see that this data, when inserted into the slide, is structurally displayed as it is set back at the BW system. Therefore, we are limited to the formatting capabilities of this crosstab. Same would be true for a chart that was inserted utilizing this method. As alluded to earlier in this demonstration, first utilizing analysis for Excel to create objects to then be inserted into analysis for PowerPoint is the preferred method found around the industry. This is mainly due to the fact that Excel as a tool itself has more formatting and data manipulation capabilities than PowerPoint. Again, this has been Michael Barker with Camerat Labs. Thank you again for watching our demonstration of analysis for PowerPoint. Camerat Labs will be at the Reporting and Analytics Conference in Atlanta, Georgia, October 26th through the 29th. Look forward to seeing you there.